You're not supposed to do that.
Manual recording will now start.
Asshole.
And content game. I mean, maybe it works like that. I've absolutely no idea. But he claimed that
pH dependent. It fluoresces the strongest in an acidic solution with a pH of around 3.7 or so. Fine.
sweep you away.
Like getting swept away and kill the mission every time.
The board 4 times faster than the attachment in around 1 second. Very impressive. So what's the best way to remove rust? One option includes using a flat disc, and I'll be testing the 3M30.
What the fuck are you doing?
More normally, and the rest of it wasn't all that bad. There was some trick jumping in the final section before going. If it was possible to grenade jump across to land on the snow bridge, which was kind of a major crossing point on Assault on Control.
But if you move here, it's really not that crowded. It's nice. Waukesha's not one of those places that's on everyone's radar. But if you visit it, and I guess it's testimony to these guys that they can fuck so much up in a game and it still be enjoyable. Well done, I guess.
What the fuck conservative means.
And they come on the side of a fucking boat. One time my guy was trying to shoot an enemy.
Oh shit, you just break down?
There was wood just about every place for a while.
Is it a cabbage sound now?
No.
Manual recording will now start.
The fuck?
Target locator?
Target.
Right over garage door.
Yeah, because it works perfectly